Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use PowerPoint with OBS using a Python script. It makes it super easy. You can set it up to use the little clickers if you're at the front of the room, so that way you can stream and switch slides at the same time. I'm going to go ahead and jump right into it. So first things first, it's obvious. You need to have OBS downloaded and installed. You just go to obsproject.com and you can click on the operating system you have. So if you have Windows, click on it, it'll download. And then next we actually need to download Python, and you need to make sure that the version of Python you get is Python 3.6. OBS will not work with any other version of Python. And so I'll put these links in the description, so that way they're really easy to find, but you'll just click on the executable that you need, download it. I'll just grab this executable installer here, and then we need something called Pywin32, and this is going to enable some of the scripting capabilities that you need for Python, so that way they work within OBS. This is found on GitHub, and like I said, I'll put all these links in the description so it's super easy for you guys to find. I'm going to download Py 3.6 exe, and then the last thing that we're going to need is this Python script. We'll download that and keep these files. Some of these Windows does not like, but keep them anyways. Once you have all those, we don't need to download any more, so I'll back out of this and we're going to start installing these things. So install OBS, install Python, and so you're going to add Python to the path and just install now, and it's going to go ahead and install. Alright, now that that's installed, we're going to go ahead and we're going to install this Pywin that we just downloaded from GitHub. And it's not going to like you at all, but we're going to run it anyways. Alright, now that you have those installed, we're going to go ahead and open up OBS. Now that you have OBS open, you're going to go into Tools and Scripts. And you need to go ahead and locate where Python is on your computer, and usually it's the same for everybody. You'll just go to PC, your C drive, users, your user, and then you can just go ahead and do /appdata, local, and then it'll be in your programs folder, Python, and then Python 36. And you click on it, select the folder, and that will link it up to OBS. And then once you have that, you'll just go over to scripts, and then you can click this plus icon and it'll just locate where that script is, which would be the downloads folder. Open up that script. So I'm going to close out of this and go into my settings, hotkeys, and then you should see at the bottom of your hotkeys this set of PowerPoint presentation keys. And all you're going to do is, as it says on here, go to the first slide, go previous slide, go next slide. You can just click on it and click what key you want to be that hotkey and apply it. And then when you have your PowerPoint up in the front on a projector on another screen, as you're streaming this through OBS, when you hit that button or that clicker, which is set to a button, it'll automatically do the previous slide or the next slide or the last slide, depending on what button you click. Super easy, super simple. Hope that helps you guys out. I know it helped me out a ton. Good luck, and if you have any questions, just leave them below in the comment section. Thank you.